definitely not transfer resistant. You're going to get this if you rub your face or hug somebody. This is definitely going to get onto that person's clothes. Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Chrissy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Alright you guys, for today's video I am actually going to be trying the Covergirl
12-hour comfort matte, pore minimizing, oil control, transfer resistant. Are you kidding me? So you mean I can rub my face on anything and it will not come off? And you guys, it actually comes in 40 shades. Also got the Covergirl True Blend Undercover Concealer, you guys. This concealer is supposed to be a full coverage matte finish, conceal all imperfections, and it's supposed to be easy to blend, and also it lasts all day. Plus, it's vegan. Oh my gosh, a vegan product. This has to be amazing. You guys, I got this concealer in 3 shades lighter than my skin tone to do a nice highlight. All right, you guys, so I also purchased the Covergirl Exhibitionist. This is a liquid eyeshadow. This is a cruelty-free eyeshadow, which is amazing. This is supposed to glide on smooth with no fallout, which means that if you put it on your eyes, it is not gonna fall out. And it's supposed to be a lightweight. This is actually, reminds me of, this is actually a dupe of the Stila, in which I absolutely love because this is a good color. Last but not least, you guys, I have this liquid eyeliner. I absolutely love liquid eyeliners. I think that they're just so much better than using the actual like pencil thing to draw on your eye. This liquid eyeliner is supposed to define eyes that last all day as a gel-like smooth glide formula, and it's just long lasting. I'm really hoping this is actually what it is because I love eyeliner.
And as always, you guys, I've already done my brows. I've added my concealer, my little setting powder to hide any oils from popping through my foundation and my makeup. So you guys, I'm gonna go in with that Covergirl foundation. This is my first time again using this foundation. I've never tried this brand at all. It's new to me, probably old to you, but for me, I'm gonna try and see how it is. It's a matte foundation. I'm super excited about trying it because I've never tried it. So what I can tell you guys from what I am doing when I'm putting on this foundation is that it's not a full coverage foundation. I am still seeing some of my spots peeking through this foundation. This is actually my second layer, you guys, of foundation. So I know that I'm probably going to have to go back through with my concealer stick and then just touch up those little spots there before processing and going through forward or moving forward with my concealer. It's mediocre. It's a little watery going through. I can just see some of my flaws still here. So I'm going to go back through, you guys, and I'm going to just touch it up with some of my concealer and then I'll be right back. Alright you guys, I'm not really sure about the foundation. I'm just really not feeling how it is on my face. It almost looks a little bit of a oily, and I'm just not liking that. If I'm getting a matte foundation, I'm going to want it to be like matte, like any of my other foundations. So I'm not really sure about this one, you guys. I'm let it dry. We're going to continue on with my makeup, steps for my makeup, and then we're going to see how this is going to turn out in the end. Okay, you guys, so next I'm going to go in with my liquid eyeliner. Now, you guys, I absolutely love liquid eyeliners, and one of my favorite ones are from Kat Von D, and she has some of the best so far that I've checked out, that I've tried. Eyeliners, liquid eyeliners, with that being said, that I absolutely love, and I just love, 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 love it. And so we're going to go in and we're going to try something new. I'm going to try a low, cheap, expensive, affordable eyeliner and see how that works on my face. Alright you guys, so that liquid eyeliner is actually pretty good, you guys. I'm actually feeling that. It could be a little bit darker, but I am feeling how it is working, on my skin. I think it's really, 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 really nice. I'm not liking this foundation. I'm just not, I wouldn't buy it. I wouldn't buy it. You can still see a little bit of my flaws right there. A little bit under the eye. And also, you guys, this is supposed to be a transfer-free, transfer-resistant foundation, which means that if I rub my face up against something, it won't transfer to someone else's clothes or anything. So we're going to do that test. Before I highlight, you guys, we're going to do that test right now to see if this actually is going to work. All right, so I'm going to use two things to put up against my face to see if this is going to rub off or if it's going to stay on. One just being a regular old piece of toilet paper. The next is something random that I found right here, and which is my sports bra, which I have to wash it anyway. So we're going to try both. We have at least a clothing item just to see if it's going to, you know, rub off on. And then we have this, a piece of toilet paper, in which we would use normally to wipe our face off anyway. So I'm just gonna lightly pat it, you guys. I'm not gonna smudge, but so it's not bad. It's a little on there. Very little that's on the tissue. That's pretty good then. That's kind of good. Now we're gonna try for the clothing, you guys. Okay. This is my sports bra, you guys, and this is what I got out from me patting my face with onto another fabric that's not even a piece of tissue. So it's definitely not, this is definitely not transfer resistant. You're going to get this if you rub your face or hug somebody. This is definitely going to get onto that first. Not great to promote a product saying that it's transfer resistant, and this is what's coming off of my face on my sports. All right, you guys, so we're going to get into this Stila dupe from Covergirl. It's called the Exhibitionist. The Exhibitionist. This is still a dupe, you guys, by Covergirl. I absolutely love the colors. And I'm gonna be honest, you guys, this Stila one, as I put it on for the second time, I don't like how it's not staying on my eyes. Like, I literally have to like do double takes of pat downs with a little brush in order to actually get it to stay. So they need to probably look more into that with the ingredients and stuff, because it's almost separating when I'm using it. All right, you guys, so this is the Covergirl dupe of the Stila, you guys, and it's not so bad. I'm actually going to do a swap on my hand to see if you guys, to give you guys a better, you know, outlook of it. A copper color. It's really pretty on, and honestly goes on and it dries instantly, which is great. Let me blend this out for you guys, just to kind of let you guys see. And this is how it is blended out. So it's really, really pretty, you guys. It's actually made better than the Stila, sorry, but it's made better than the Stila, because with the Stila, it gets a little clumpy. It doesn't stay, wants to smudge off so quickly. This one dries instantly, and it's actually blendable. So you can build up this shade here, this color here. And they have a variety of different colors. This is really, really pretty, you guys. So you guys, I'm gonna go in now and do my highlight and contour, and then yeah, we're gonna be done with it. Alright, you guys, this is the concealer that I have on, and I absolutely love the concealer. It reminds me of the Maybelline concealer that I do have. That is the same consistency, the same texture, everything. I think it's a really, really good concealer. I love how well it blends out as I'm patting out. It blends out very well. There's very minimum creasing, which I like about it. I did go at least 2 to 3 shades lighter. I maybe went 3 shades lighter just because I want a nice highlight to my face. And I've been doing that with a lot of my concealers, you guys. Unless I'm going to put it up underneath my foundation, I'm going to go at least 3 shades lighter for my concealer to give me a nice highlight. Alright, you guys, so I have finalized my look for today. Let me give you guys a little rundown on the Covergirl foundation. The foundation is very light. It's supposed to be a matte. It's supposed to be transfer resistant. It is not transfer resistant. I, again, did a test on my sports bra, you guys, and it still came out to have makeup on it. So it's definitely not transfer resistant. The makeup itself is not the best quality. I would not buy it again. I honestly do not enjoy putting that on my face. It's very light. It's a little watery in a sense. It's thick coming out, but when you pat it on, it's very oily, which may be good for some people who have dry or combination skin, but for my skin, it's oily. I don't need that because then it's not going to stay put on. If you guys enjoyed this makeup look, or if you guys want to see more looks like that, make sure you guys drop it down in my comments below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.